Good evening, everyone. For the vote of thanks, revered Swami Sri Vasananda Maharaj, respected devotees, brothers and sisters, good day to everyone. As we come to the close of our celebration for the Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi's birthday, we offer our heartfelt gratitude to all those who lovingly contributed to the success of today's sacred program. First and foremost, we humbly offer our salutations to the Holy Trinity, Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi, and Swami Vivekananda, for their boundless grace and blessings that guided this program from the beginning to end. We express our deepest gratitude to Swami Sri Vasananda Maharaj, under whose guidance and blessing this program was beautifully organized. We are especially thankful for his soulful opening song, which set a devotional and uplifting tone for the entire celebration. Our sincere thanks go to Miss Arlene and family, who graciously hosted the program and who is always present in the service for the Ramakrishna Vedanta Society of the Philippines. Her dedication, warmth, and constant support are truly appreciated. We also extend our heartfelt thanks to all the presenters for our today's program for the Vedic chanting. I thank Swamiji, which allowed me to sanctify the atmosphere and invoke the divine vibrations for the Vedic chanting. We thank Brother Oscar for sharing a meaningful short story on the life of Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi, reminding us of her simplicity, strength, and compassion. Our gratitude goes to Kelvin for his inspiring Tagalog talk on the life and teachings of Holy Mother, which touched my heart deeply. And I must admit I shed some tears while listening, especially as I imagine Holy Mother, the